Hello aviators and welcome to RSA Pilot Training Academy. I am Captain Darshana and I will be discussing the steps to become an airline pilot today. The very first step includes the basic requirement to become an airline pilot, which is we must have maths and physics in our 10+2. If you have completed your 10+2 with commerce or arts, you can always give maths and physics with NIOS, which is National Institute of Open Schooling, or any other recognized board. If you have a diploma, you can also get an equivalent certificate from your board. The next step will be to complete your Class 2 and Class 1 medical exam. These examinations are conducted by only DGCA approved medical examiners. A list of the examiners is mentioned on the DGCA website. After this, you will need to apply for a computer number. A computer number is like a registration number that is needed in order to give the DGCA exams. In order to give or apply for this computer number, we will need verification for our 10+2 board exam. After this, you have to enroll for the DGCA coaching. We conduct the coaching for all DGCA CPL and ATPL subjects like navigation, meteorology, regulations, technical specific, technical general, as well as RTR. We have taught over 500 students and each student has been mentored by aviation professional or airline captains. After this, you will need to go for your commercial pilot training. This training consists of 200 hours of flight time and it takes anywhere between 8 to 14 months to complete this training. After this training, you will have to go through a conversion process in order to convert a foreign commercial pilot's license into an Indian commercial pilot's license. Once you have done all of these requirements, you are now eligible to apply for an Indian DGCA commercial pilot's license. And that is the last step of the way. We will be there with you in every step of the way. And feel free to get in touch with us if you have any doubts or any more questions related pilot training. We wish you all the best.